Hi guys, how you guys doing today? It's your boy Only One Naked, and today I just want to show you guys my analysis on Cadchf and Cadjpy. Someone said I should make a video for this, and I guess I just have to do it because setups are making sense ahead of the market open. So right here on my screen we have Cadjpy, and I'm just going to show you guys how I trade. I'm going to take this trade. Okay, we're going to do a top-down analysis right from higher time frame, daily time frame. Right here, you can see that obviously we're on a downtrend, but yes, you can see that Cadjpy have been consolidating for a while. Right here, you can see what is happening with the Messi price action. And if you can see what we had right here, and we have more like extending within it, but we can base on that alone, that within this level right here, that you can see that oil price might just go up to test this high one more time before we start coming back. But you never can tell what's going to happen within the market, but we just have to use structures that we have to look for a trade setup. So right here, you can see, I want to show you guys something on this daily time. You can see the previous day candle right there, and you can see on the Friday, on Thursday candle, you see how it's engulfed the previous candle, okay? I want to check something. All right, cool. All right, you can see how it's engulfed the previous on Wednesday candle, and then you see Friday candle keep pushing higher. So this is a strong bullish candle. That means we still have some bullish momentum within Cadjpy. Okay, that's just the only thing I want to show you guys on daily time frame. Now going down to 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have a high right here, a structure which we're going to be using right here, and use the red line. And then we have a low right here also. And I want you guys to pay attention to something. 4-hour is beginning to correct. Now, we have two ways we can take advantage of this trade for the sell setup. Why? Because you can see 4-hour time frame is getting ready to go into the oversold, overbought market rather, and what's going to happen. Now, I want you to point out RSI, Fibonacci. If I throw a Fibonacci right here, you can see we are very close to that 786 level, and we've seen price crash on 786 a lot of time. But we are not just going to bank on 786 level or alone. We're going to use structure also. And if I put in the trend line right here, we had 1, 2, we had a 1 touch here, 2, and potentially third touch to that 786 level. Right there, we might get a rejection. Now, mind you, we're going to get a rejection. We'll be looking at 2 places to take this trade. One at the 786 level, and second at where? At the high right here. Okay, so I'm going to look at 786 level, and I'm going to look at this level right here. Now see, this is very, very easy. Now see how it goes right here. We go to 1-hour time frame. We have to pay attention to something else. How is price moving? Price moving impulsively, or is price moving correctively? So you can see we had this right here, 1 touch, 2nd touch, and then the 3rd touch, potential 3rd touch right there. And then you can see that price approaching that level correctively with more like an ascending channel. Okay, so we can get a rejection right there for a set, right there. But mind you, my analysis is based on how the market opened. Though Cadjpy don't usually open with gaps, but just in case we have gaps open, and you know what I'm talking about. So look at what I'm showing you again. So we're going to be looking for trade setup right there. So me personally, I don't like taking a risk entry on Cadjpy. So I would like to see a strong bullish rejection, and then I'll go to 15 minutes time frame to see some correction, and then I'm looking to get involved in the trade for the set. So if we don't reject there, we're looking at 2 places. At the trend line where we have the 786 level, or we're going to reject at the high right there. You can see that's 4-hour highs, and with 4-hour time frame approaching the overbought market, everything is making sense, a whole lot of sense for me. Okay, so that is one right there, and we move to the next pair, which is Cadchf. Cadchf more like a similar setup, but this one we're going to like buy and then sell. Now going to daily time frame real quick, what can you see? On daily time frame, what can you see right here? You can see that we have a strong bullish momentum already right there. You can see strong bullish momentum, and that's the only thing I'm going to show you. Mind you, we are in this big corrective phase also, but within the corrective phase, we already creating the higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher high, equal low right there, and then potentially higher highs of my rejects here, come back to this low, and then go up. So we are already starting the trend on the daily time frame, even though the price action on daily time frame is looking so messy. Okay, now see what we're going to do right here. 4-hour time frame, you can see obviously we have a high right here that we can bank on, and then we have a low right here also. Now see what I want to do again. I want to add a trend line to this chart right here. You can see obviously we're still in a downtrend. We had an impulse move to the upside and then the correction with the bullish flag, and an impulse up. Now we're having another correction, a bullish flag. So we have two touches right there, and I'm looking for the third touch to get involved in that trade. So if price can give me a third touch on this bullish flag right here, 1, 2, and I'll be looking to set I'm looking to go in using the retracement candle right there. Stop loss here, TP at the top. Okay. So because we are approaching this high, and then the way we're approaching this high correctly, we might just get a 1, 2, 3, and then we can see price crash from there. Okay. So we're going to be looking for what's right there at the top. We're going to be looking for a selling opportunity at the top again, right there. And this time I want to take it to the 90% rule. You know what I mean? Right there. Stop loss is going to be above the retracement candle. We don't have any retracement candle yet, so we just have to wait on it. So when we have that retracement candle, stop loss is going to be above. Okay. So mind you, my analysis here, I'm going to take the sell analysis, the buy analysis. If the market opens with gap, that means our setup is invalid. If it gaps down, you know, you just have to wait for more price action, further development within the market to get involved in this trade. Okay. So my analysis is based on how markets approach this high. Now, mind you, if we come to that high, we have like more like strong bullish candle to that high. Guys, I'm not looking to get involved in this trade. Okay, I'll just have to wait for more price action. Maybe we might just get push up, correction, and then continue to buy from there. That's if we come with a bullish candle. But if we come bullish candle and then we get another bearish, strong bearish retracement, that is giving me clue that I'm going to wait for a reduced risk entry. I just have to wait for a flag formation on 1 hour, then I will look to take that trade to the downside. Mind you, it's very, very important we have a zone, just like we had 78.28 right here. And it's very, very important we look how price is approaching the zone. So that's what I want to share with you guys today. I hope this video makes sense. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And if you like what I just do, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram at only one naked, only one naked on Instagram. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, because I post stuff that are making sense for you guys. You know, if you want to trade like me, and most of my stuff I post them on my YouTube channel. Okay, so don't forget to follow me, only one naked. That's the name on Instagram, and you can feel free to ask me questions. Always there to answer if you don't understand anything. Thank you guys. See you guys at the top.